In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to KashFlow. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to streamline your financials, making it that much easier to integrate payments and manage your business accounts efficiently. First, let's start by navigating over to Iris KashFlow. This is the main platform where the integration will take place. If you're already familiar with the dashboard, you know it's designed to keep your invoicing and accounting tasks straightforward. Now, once you're logged into your KashFlow account, we're going to want to focus our attention on the settings. So go ahead and click on the settings tab. You'll typically find this as a gear icon. It's where you customize your account preferences and manage integrations, among other things. Moving on within your settings, you'll see a variety of choices. What we are looking for is the App Store section. Here, KashFlow provides numerous integrations to enhance the functionality of your account. Scroll through or use the search feature and choose Stripe from this list. Selecting Stripe is perhaps one of the simplest steps, but it's crucial. This sets the groundwork for linking your payment processing seamlessly. Now, once you've clicked on Stripe, you'll see an option that says Connect with Stripe. This is where